Hello, people. Welcome to another edition of In the Divide. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful day. I know I am. Fascinating algo community. This is an encouraging message for all you who have suffered through the last week of bleeding, wondering, am I still going to hodl? Is my diamond hands, are they cracking? I'm telling you here, voice of sanity, to make sure you keep your algo hand strong. Coming with hopefully some good news. Not trying to give you some hopium, even though I know some people can use it, but I want people to understand that the algo community and the algebra project is still pumping out and doing hard work. With some of these things that I'm about to show you, it should turn that frown upside down, at least give you some reasons for optimism. Everyone needs a little bit reason for optimism. Another point of contention for me to tell you right now that I am not a financial advisor. I am a lot of things, but I don't advise on financial situations, issues, or anything that has to do with your financial situation. What I do is hopefully I entertain you. Hopefully I'll inspire you. Hopefully I'll throw a little something that you may not know so you will be more informed, especially in the algo community. All right. So let's get ready because I want to try to keep this brief, but there's a couple of points I want to hit. So let's share this screen right quick and let's go into the first thing that I want to bring to you today is this. Algorand can be a top crypto with its unique approach to security. One of the things I'm trying to get y'all to understand is that algo, in order for it to start to really do some things in future wise, it needs adoption. Adoption means it needs a lot of people to start funneling into our community and putting in their income, their assets, and adding liquidity, adding in growing the value of the ecosystem of the coin. And this is one of the things that I want you to understand. This is how it's done. More articles that come out about algo, that means the more likelihood that people will be able to understand and associate algo with an important resource that they may need. It lets them connect the pieces together. Algo has been so hidden in beneath all the other coins, the ones who mooned, the Solanos who got their rise in the sun in their community and got so many people coming on just because certain situations and the whole community pumped them. We in Algo know that the Algo system is rock solid, solid as a rock. But listen to here, Algo can be a top crypto with its unique approach to security. This is from Investors Place. You have to get into places where people are going to reach you. I want to read this brief paragraph. It says how Algorand is uniquely designed. It says, in revealing interviews he gave to Forbes magazine, Professor Macaulay discussed key features of Algorand that he called it cryptographic sortition. And he describes this unique aspect of Algorand as its secret sauce. And so, therefore, this gets around one of the key hackable problems with blockchain. Now, this is that an adversary can know in advance who is going to generate the next block. So, in order to be able to attack a blockchain, you want to attack where it's going to be. But if you don't know where it's going to be, the initial data that you either need to block or disrupt. You can't really disrupt it because you're only going to disrupt the past. So disrupting the past is not helpful because these are ledger. So there's already a snapshot. There's already an account for the past. So you can't really do much if you're only working on past and you can only infiltrate the past. The only way to really move or disrupt a blockchain, really cripple it, and start to get something out of it is you have to either hack a present or a future thing, and you have to have knowledge. And this is what the cryptographic sortition is. And there's that most blockchains use a round robin, a procedure to choose the next block writer. But Algorand uses the cryptographic sortition, and this to get around this issue, which is a more secure method. So as a result, Algorand can operate with much more efficiency and can perform and can function very well on a large scale and without any of the issues relating to hackability. And this is why it's popular, and this is why probably going to be the number one preferred DeFi, because when you're dealing with finance, you have to be secure. And if it's one of the most reliable and secureable networks, eventually people are going to be trusting that which is, guess what, more secure, because nobody wants to lose money. Algorand is in a position, the more people that knows the security aspect of Algorand is the more people who are going to be willing to put their liquidity into Algorand. I'm telling you, I don't know about many of y'all, but somebody needs to cut out their hands for this information to get out. It doesn't matter if you and me know it, everybody has to know it. So the next thing I want to bring to you here is that Algorand, where will Algorand's ties with Amazon Web Service go? I don't know how many of you understood or heard about this, but now Algorand is tied to Amazon Web Service. People are like, Amazon Web Service, what the heck is that? This is another protection aspect of what Algorand is building on. So everybody understands crypto been going up and down, but here, the release of the Algorand blockchain on the AWS marketplace will allow users to deploy and operate nodes securely. Algorand arrived on AWS through Guardrails, a cloud solution provider that drives rapid cloud adoption in medium and small business enterprise. This is another, I'm trying to tell everyone, once people understand how secure Algo is, how much more secure they are, how much what they're doing now with this Amazon Web Service, they're allowing themselves to be more scalable and actually have this more speed than everyone else. And then, like I said, it's the trilemma that everyone's trying to solve, but Algorand actually solved it. But people don't understand and don't know about the particulars of Algorand because they're a small cap company. But this information getting out there, creating an idea where the masses understand the securability, the scalability of the functionality of Algorand is only going to increase the adoption. It's going to increase people's likelihood to put their money here. Major investors are going to look at this and say, we need to get with Algorand. Understand this, people. Money follows money. Okay? It follows money. That's why people talk about the rich keep it rich, because money knows how to find other money. If money is hiding from you, that means there's no money in your pocket. Money finds money. So this release marks the deployment of Algorand's nodes on the AWS network. Notably, up to 1,000 Algorand nodes can be operated across 24 regions within 30 minutes. Within its arrival on the Amazon Web Service. Understand this. At the small blockchain right now, some people had some problems with Algorand. Some of the people who are in the weeds, some people who wanted to try to kind of stick a pin in us and try to, nitpick. Algorand is not as decentralized as it wants to be, as it will eventually be. This here, dispersing nodes allow a more broad base where more people are going to be operating where as receptors, as transaction modules for the network. These nodes are very important to help spread out and create more decentralization. And once we understand the decentralization get to a big enough platform, that means it increases security. So the bigger and the more nodes we have, the more secure we're going to be because it's going to be more decentralized and there's going to be more things for the cryptographic sortation of Algorand. It's going to make it almost impossible for people to target and be able to be hacked. And this what creates in Algorand not only the possibility that people will pour their money in, that people need to put their something in to be really protected. And this is what Algorand is. And this last thing from here, it says that Guardrails is set to boost the capacity of the Algorand blockchain for building applications in its network by acting as an alternative to API aggregators. Look here, simple said the market is down. They got war tension in Ukraine with Russia. All this stuff is putting pressure on the markets where the things that Algorand is doing is not receiving enough really investor understanding and realization. This thing is going to look. I'm just saying. I'm like I said. I don't want to give you hopium, but they're creating a solid footing, and I'm telling you, this thing is going to actually do some things. And I just want you to understand, don't be surprised. Oh, okay, I did the blockchain. So this is what I'm saying. We got all this information, FX Street, we got Investor Place. I'm telling you people, I need you to continue to do your due diligence, continue to keep the energy up. I need you to do it because I need you to do it right now. Keep your energy up, keep all the things up because I need you to do something. I need you to like, I need you to comment, I need you to subscribe to this channel because not only will this channel continue to bring you the news, continue to give you outstanding things to lead you and to be able to have trust in the algo process. Because right now, like I said, I've been in this thing for a couple of years now, and I'm in the deep end. Look at my hands are still forming a diamond. I'm holding, I'm hollering. I'm telling you, this is going to be transformative. Look, the next thing you want to do is look into some of the stuff that I told you. And if this doesn't create diamond hands, leave a comment. I'll come up with some more news that may help you to enable your hands to hodl. All right, to all my hollers out there, let's keep it in, keep our hands in that diamond shape, because once you create that diamond shape, you don't have nothing dropping out. But guess what? Those algos can fall into you. More coins can drop in your hands because that's what we do in the divide in the episode where we're dropping coins. So I see you soon with more algo news. I am out.